Good morning, children. I'm your new mathematics teacher. My name is Prajyoti Singh, and today I will teach you chapter number 4, Tick Tick Tick. Actually, in last classes, you have learned so many things from this same chapter. That means you have learned to read time in clock, and you have also learned to read calendar in various format. So continuing with this same chapter, we will start from page number 46. Okay. So this okay. Now the holidays are fun. So Atif holidays had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shavana. So he wrote her a letter. So जो आतिफ की थी वो छुट्टियाँ उसकी शुरू हो गई थी, इसलिए वो अपनी कज़िन शवाना को अपनी छुट्टियों के वंडरफुल प्लान बताना चाहता था, इसलिए उसने उसको एक लेटर लिखा. तो उसने लिखा, डियर शवाना आपा, हेलो, हाउ आर यू, आई एम फाइन हेयर. हेलो शवाना आपा, आप कैसे हो? मैं अच्छा हूँ. आपा, माई हॉलीडेज हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम टुडे. माई हॉलीडेज हैं वो आज से शुरू हो गई हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू माई नानीज प्लेस on 5th May 2006 and I will be back on 20th May 2006. My school will reopen on 30th June 2006. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now. Actually, in this letter, you just look at this. Actually, the Ajmer, that means the place where Atif wrote a letter on the date at 1st May 2006. And Savannah, who stayed in Nagpur, got this letter on 6 May 2006. She wrote back to Atif, dear Atif, hello, I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st June 2006. It will reopen on 10th August. I will go on a school trip to Goa and will return on 7th June 2006. I will try to come to Ajmer after that. Bye. So actually in the letter which Atif wrote to Savannah, that means Atif was going to Nani's place on 5th May 2006 और वो 20 मई को वापस आएगा और उसका स्कूल कब खुलेगा? 30 जून 2006 को. और जो शवाना ने आतिफ को लिखा कि उसका जो स्कूल है वो 1 जून 2006 को क्लोज होगा और कब खुलेगा? 10th अगस्त को. ओके. एंड ही विल ऑल्सो गो अ स्कूल ट्रिप. कहाँ जा रही है उसकी स्कूल ट्रिप? गोवा. और वो वापस कब आएगी? 7 जून 2006 को. और उसके बाद वो अजमेर आने की वो ट्राई करेगी. ओके. एंड सो नाउ आतिफ रोट हिज लेटर ऑन 5th May 2006. Now you remember how we write a date in number. Actually in your class, at the left corner on a blackboard you saw the format of date. So similar in this, on the 1/5/06, that means it is 1 May 2006. So now there are some exercise. Now the date format has written, and you have to write like this. So if it is like 5/5/06, so you can so this is stand for 5 May 2006. So similar for particular this date you can call as 20th May 2006. So for similar date you have to write in your notebook the date stands for. The similar for this exercise, actually if we write the date in the number, so the 1st June 2006 we can be written as like this. So for rest to this date you have to write in number for your notebook. Now how long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? So you can see that Atif wrote a letter on 1st May 2006 and Savannah got a letter on 6th May 2006. So the time between 1st May to 6th May, that means there are total 5 days between both these dates. So 5 days. So take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur. Next, how many days will Atif spend at his Nani's place? Now Actually, he wrote a letter. He wrote in the letter that he will go on Nani's place on 5th May 2006 and it will back on 20th May 2006. मतलब वो 5 मई को जाएगा और 20 मई को वापस आएगा. तो बीच में कितने दिन हुए? 5 मई से लेकर के 20 मई के बीच में हुए टोटल 15 days. So the answer is that the answer of this question is 15 days. Now fill in the tables. So now in this table you have to write the Savannah's holidays and Atif holidays. That means from which date their holidays start and from which date their holidays end, and also the number of days. So Savannah holidays start from 1st June to 9th August, whereas for Atif holidays start from 1 May 2006 to 20th June. Okay, so now if we calculate the total number of days, so we can calculate by this. So actually if we count from 1st June to 30 June, that means there are total 30 days. Then after June July. So 1st July to 31 July, that means there are total 31 days, and there are also 9 days in August, that means total 9 days. So if we sum these days, we got 70 days or 2 months and 9 days. That means the total number of holidays for Savannah is 70 days. Okay, if we calculate the number of holidays for Atif, so we can calculate by this. So we can see that from 1 May to 31st May, that means total 31 days, and from 1 June to 29 days, that means 29 days, and if we add we got 60 days or 2 months. So we can see that Savannah has holidays of 70 days, where is तो सवाना की कितने दिन की हॉलीडेज हुए? 70 डेज की. और आतिफ की कितने दिन की हॉलीडेज हुए? 60 डेज की. ओके, so the question is that who has got longer holidays, Savannah or Atif? So what the answer is that Savannah, because she has got 70 days holidays, whereas Atif has only 60 days. Now this is exercise you have to do by yourself. That means which long holidays do you get in school? Fill in the table. So the summer holidays. So you have to write the date and particular number of days for your summer holidays, for autumn break, for winter break, or holidays after the exam. So student, for today you have to do this exercise 1, exercise 2, and this exercise, that means this table and this question. So you have to write all this exercise at page number 47 in your maths notebook. So thank you children.